starting your very last discussion, discussion number 4. We will not be having a 5th one, so make sure you make this one count. Where it says group members at the top, make note if someone is absent. So if you have, write down everybody, even if they're not here, and then parentheses, write down absent. So this front page is the one that always changes, and the back page is the one that stays the same. So let's talk really quickly about the front page. These words you guys have heard before, but I want to make sure that you understand them. So you are going to be figuring out from your book club book a round character and a static character. So if we take a look over here, it says a static character is one that doesn't change throughout the story. So static character is somebody that if they were angry from the beginning, they're going to be angry at the end. If a static character is always like the sidekick, at the end they are always the sidekick. A round character, and in this particular case, it's also a dynamic character. A dynamic character, round character, is a character that changes throughout the story. This is usually the main character. They go through an internal or an external change, but round and dynamic can kind of be used interchangeably. These should be 2 separate characters, and you're going to need your book to go through because you need text evidence for both of them 2 times and then kind of have an explanation. Then on the back, again, you've done this before, but I wanted to reiterate that for this part, the wonderings, you have 2 things that you need to pay attention to. Number 1, you're going to talk about what was amazing, puzzling, fun, sad. And number 2, what were some of your favorite or least favorite things. Right here, it says fill this space. It says that for a reason so that I can actually see or read what your discussion was. If I only have a couple of lines filled up here, I don't actually know what is being done or said. The second part is the links. Remember, has anyone in your group ever experienced something similar? In your books, you have people that are in internment camps, in refugee camps. I don't expect that any of you have been in any of those things, but think about the fear. Think about what was happening, those feelings, and can you compare any of those feelings in there? Okay? Make sure that you are all participating. You should not have just one person writing throughout this whole entire thing. Let me know if you have questions.